I'm Efren Reyes. I'm going to answer 10 questions for CSI. I think Mike Siegel for me. Because I saw him have a good shot, a good stroke, and very smart too. Before is rotation, playing rotation, and backline. Yeah, backline, three balls. And then from 10 years ago, is maybe 10 years from now, I think change for one pocket. 9 ball and 10 ball. Because, my break's very weak. To see a player when he's playing is quiet and concentration, and even he's losing is happy. You like a player with like sometimes a cocky that thinking about other player that is not good people. Biggest weakness, in time I don't sleep good, and then sometimes I don't feel good, and then my stroke is no good.
Okay.
Best part of my game is how to play position, and then concentrate, how to smart. Yeah, when we are playing, sometimes you don't shoot good, and sometimes every time you shoot, you hook, and that's why I don't like it. You have no chance to win if you don't shoot every time. Every time you hook. My greatest achievement is 1999 to win the World Pool Championship in Cardiff, Wales. One player, Mike Siegel too.